In 2020, a man in Denmark was found sweaty, nauseous, and laying down in a crooked position. Earlier that day, he drank water from a coconut. It had been sitting on his kitchen counter for the last month, but it should have been in the fridge. He took a small sip. It was nasty. He cut it open and saw that it was slimy and weird inside. He threw it away and didn't think that anything was wrong. But a few hours later, he started feeling horrible. He was sweating, but the room wasn't that hot. His palms were clammy, and when he walked into the bathroom, everything just started coming up. That was the last thing that he would remember. In the hospital, doctors saw that he had a fever and his muscles would jerk randomly. This suggested that he might have meningitis, but he didn't have meningitis. When doctors heard all of this started happening after he consumed something from a coconut, they started looking. Coconut is a fruit, but the meat has a lot of fat instead of sugar. So when it gets rotten, it grows a different kind of fungus and bacteria than you would find in, say, a rotten apple or a banana. And this is what happened. The coconut left on the counter for a month started growing a fungus called Arthrinium saccharicola. This particular one makes a toxin called 3-nitropropionic acid. In humans, the body cannot tell the difference between this and another chemical used to make energy. This one doesn't make any energy, so cells get drained of resources and cease to exist. This man's brain swelled with fluid in the hospital, and 26 hours after he arrived, an autopsy was done to confirm 3-nitropropionic acid. This story is significant because Arthrinium wasn't known to grow this far north on the earth until recently. And so the most important lesson when dealing with coconuts is please always make sure that it's fresh.